Hello everyone, Namaskar. My name is Gagan Kumar. Welcome to my channel Maths Guidance. So, friends, this is the last lecture of this chapter, chapter 1, that is number system. And the lecture 10, I want to conclude this chapter in this lecture. First of all, let us revise the chapter through the summary. What was the inside of the chapter? So, first of all, we learned about the types of numbers. Then we learned about rational numbers, what is terminating and non-terminating recurring, that concept. Then we went into irrational numbers. We found the difference between rational and irrational numbers, that numbers which can be written in the form of p by q are rational numbers and numbers which cannot be written in the form of p by q are irrational numbers, and the difference also in decimal representation. So after that we plotted some irrational numbers in number system. Then we got to know that geometrical representation of square root of numbers. Then we learned something about real numbers and their rationalization. Real numbers, rationalization, and in the last lecture we learned something about exponents, that exponents funda. And through our overall lectures we have solved so many questions, but I want to dedicate this lecture 10 for some more problems. So let us have some more problems and answers, so that it will build our strength little bit more. So let us do some more questions. Okay, so friends, I have taken 3 questions of subjective type. So these questions can come in subjective type questions in examination. Let us solve these questions one by one. So solution for question number 1. So what is the question? If x is equal to root 5 plus root 3 by root 5 minus root 3 and y equal to root 5 minus root 3 by root 5 plus root 3, find the value of x square and y, x square plus y square. So first of all, what is given? Let us write what is given. Given is x is equal to root 5 plus root 3 divided by root 5 minus root 3, and y is also given root 5 minus root 3 divided by root 5 plus root 3, and we have to find x square plus y square. Okay. So first of all, we will rationalize one by one what is the value of x comes out and what is the value of y comes out. So x is equal to root 5 plus root 3 divided by root 5 minus root 3, and we will rationalize the denominator, multiplied by root 5 plus root 3 divided by root 5 plus root 3. Okay. So it will come root 5 plus root 3 whole square and a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. So root 5 square minus root 3 square, that is equal to 5 plus 3 plus 2 and root over 5 into 3 divided by 5 minus 3 denominator. So it is 8 plus 2 root 15, 8 plus 2 root 15 divided by 2. Okay, so we will take out 2 from the numerator. When we take out 2, it will 4 plus root 15 divided by 2. So this 2 cancels out. So we have 4 plus root 15. The value of x is 4 plus root 15. Now similarly we will find the value of y. What is y? Y is equal to root 5 minus root 3 by root 5 plus root 3. Root 5 minus root 3 by root 5 plus root 3. Actually this is the inverse of this one, root 5 plus root 3 by root 5 minus root 3. So we can directly write it like this, that is equal to 1 by x. Okay. Or if you don't want to write this, then leave it. You can solve directly. We will directly rationalize it. Root 5 minus root 3 by root 5 plus root 3 multiplied by root 5 minus root 3 by root 5 minus root 3. Let us rationalize it. There are so many ways to solve these problems, but okay, no problem. Let us solve by this way. So in the numerator, root 5 minus root 3 whole square, and in the denominator, root 5 square minus root 3 square. Root 5 square minus root 3 square. So it will come a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay. And here 5 minus 3, that is equal to 8 minus 2 root 15 divided by 2, and that is equal to 2. 4 minus root 15 divided by 2, that is equal to 4 minus root 15. So this is y. X comes out 4 plus root 15 and y comes out 4 minus root 15. Now we have to find out x square plus y square. We can write like this: x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. Okay. And xy, what is xy? Xy you will get x and y. This is just root 5 plus root 3, root 5 plus root 3 by root 5 minus root 3 by root 5 minus root 3. This is x, and y is just opposite, just inverse, root 5 minus root 3 by root 5 plus root 3. So basically this is equal to 1. It cancels out. Okay. So you can write this expression as x square plus y square plus 2, because this xy is 1, and I had already told you here this y is actually 1 by x. This is actually 1 by x. So xy is equal to 1. Okay. Now we have to find out this x square plus y square. So x square plus y square is equal to x plus y whole square minus 2. Okay. And what is our x plus y whole square? We have x, that is equal to x. We have the value of x. We have found 4 plus root 15. 4 plus root 15. Okay. Plus, what is the value of y? 4 minus root 15. 4 minus root 15. And whole square, and minus 2 also. Okay. Minus 2 also, because here it is minus 2. Okay. So actually this is what? This root 15 will cancel out. This is plus and this is minus. So it is 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. So 8 square minus 2, that is equal to 64 minus 2, that is equal to 62 is our answer. Okay. 62 is our answer. Very easy question. Just subjective type question. Okay. Let us solve next question. So guys, our next problem is this one. If root 2 equal to 1.41 and root 5 equal to 2.24, find the value of this expression. Okay, let's solve it. Let's write what is given. What is given? Given is root 2 is equal to 1.41 and root 5 is equal to 2.24, and we have to find 3 divided by 8 root 2 plus 5 root 5 plus 2 divided by 8 root 2 minus 5 root 5. Okay. 3 divided by 8 root 2 plus 5 root 5 plus 2 divided by 8 root 2 minus 5 root 5. Okay. So what we can do? We can directly take the LCM of this expression. We can directly take the LCM, because in the denominator it will come out this multiplied by this, and it will become a rational number. This is the method 1, and method 2 you can separately rationalize both the expression and then add. So whatever you like you can do. Let us solve it directly. If we solve it directly, the LCM will be 8 root 2 plus 5 root 5 multiplied by 8 root 2 minus 5 root 5, and in the numerator it will come 3 multiplied by this one, 8 root 2 minus 5 root 5. Simple addition we are doing, plus 2 and this one, 8 root 2 plus 5 root 5. Okay, so this will become, just multiply these things, 24 root 2 minus 15 root 5 plus 16 root 2 plus 10 root 5. Okay, and this is a plus b into a minus b, so a square 8 root 2 square minus b square minus 5 root 5 square. Now this one will add 24 plus 16, that is 30 plus 10, 40 root 2, and this is minus, this is plus, so it will come minus, this is bigger, minus 5 root 5 divided by, now 8 8 is 64, 2 128 minus 5 5 is 1, 5 5 is 25 into 5 125, so it will come 40 root 2 minus 5 root 5 divided by 3. Now you will put the values whatever you have been given, that root 2 equal to 1.41. okay, so you put it here, 40 into 1.41 minus 5 into root 5 is given 2.24 divided by 3, so it will come out 4 1 ja 4 and 14 4 ja 56, 1 0 here, and this will come out like this, 5 4 ja 20, 5 2 ja 10, 12 1, 5 2 ja 10, 1. okay, and divided by 3, that is equal to 56.4 minus 11.2, so 0.2 this side and this side, 615 514 44 45.2 divided by 3. okay, so you can do it 15.0, then it will become 20, 3 6 18, then again 2 20, 3 6 6, it will go like this, so that is 15.07. the answer is 15.07. so this was method 1, you can do it with method 2 also. Method 2, what is method 2? You can separately rationalize the two parts. First part was 3 by 8 root 2 plus 5 root 5, 8 root 2 plus 5 root 5. okay, 3 by 8 root 2 plus 5 root 5, so you can do it 3 by 8 root 2 plus 5 root 5 multiplied by 8 root 2 minus 5 root 5 divided by 8 root 2 minus 5 root 5, that is equal to, in the numerator you will multiply this one, 8 root 2 minus 5 root 5 divided by, this is a square minus b square, 8 root 2 square minus 5 root 5 square. okay, so 3 8 is 24 root 2 minus 15 root 5 and divided by, this will come out 3, we have done it here, 8 root 2 minus 5 root 5, 128 minus 25, 3. Similarly, when you do this one, second part, 2 by 8 root 2 minus 5 root 5, 2 by 8 root 2 minus 5 root 5, that is equal to 2 by 8 root 2 minus 5 root 5 multiplied by 8 root 2 plus 5 root 5, here also 8 root 2 plus 5 root 5, so 16 root 2 plus 10 root 5 and divided by 3, this will be same, and when you add both the parts, it will come out same, 24 root 2 minus 15 root 5 divided by 3 plus 16 root 2 plus 10 root 5 divided by 3, that will be equal to, same thing, 24 16 40 root 2 minus 5 root 5 by 3, same thing will come, where this one, 40 root 2 minus 5 root 5 by 3, 40 root 2 minus 5 root 5 by 3, and then the answer will be same. So the methods are different, but answer will come same. Whatever way you like, you do it. Okay, let's move on to the next question. So friends, this is the third question. We have to prove this multiplied by this divided by this is equal to 1. So let us do it. 81 by 16 to the power minus 3 by 4. Okay, no problem. This 81 by 16 you can write as 3 by 2 power 4. 3 by 2 power 4, because 3 to the power 4 is 81 and 2 to the power 4 is 16. Okay, and whole power is minus 3 by 4. Okay, now multiplied by, let us simplify all of these things, then we will get the clue. So this one you can write like this: 5 by 3 power 2, 25 by 9, and whole power, here you can write like this: whole power minus 3 by 2. Okay, now this is simple, this is 5 by 2 power minus 3, or you can write it 2 by 5 power 3, 2 by 5 power 3, you can just inverse it. Okay, because you know a to the power minus n is equal to 1 by a to the power n. So we can write it like this: 5 by 2 power minus 3 equal to 2 by 5 power 3. Okay, now this expression will become, now we will use this one: a to the power p power q is equal to a to the power pq. Okay, so in the exponents we multiply this one: 4 multiplied by minus 3 by 4. Okay, now let us do this one: 5 by 3 multiplied 2 multiplied by minus 3 by 2, same thing, and we will keep this one same. Okay, now this one will become 3 by 2, and this 4 cancels, to the power minus 3. Now multiplied by 5 by 3 to the power minus 3, and this I divide 2 by 5 power 3. Okay, same thing we will do here. We can write it 2 by 3 power 3, just inverse it. Okay, 2 by 3 power 3. Here also 3 by 5 power 3, we can write it 3 by 5 power 3, and divide by 2 by 5 power 3. Okay, so this will become 2 power 3 by 3 power 3, 8 divided by 27, and this one will become 27 divided by 125 and divided by 8 divided by 125. Okay, so 8 by 27 multiplied by 27 by 125 divided by 125 by 8. Clear? That is equal to 8 by 27 multiplied by 27 by 8. 27 by 8. So the value will 1, and that was our RHS, right hand side. So it is proved. Just little bit of simplification and you can solve this problem. Okay, we have used all the laws of radicals here. This one we have used, and this one we have also used. So 81 by 16 we can write as 3 by 2 power 4, then it will multiply here the exponents. Similarly, we have written this one: 5 by 3 power 2, 25 by 9, 5 by 3 power 2, then we multiply this one, and this is, we inverse it. And likewise, when you simplify, it comes out like this, and it's proved. Okay, let's see some more problems. So friends, I have taken 6 problems. Number 1 is express fourth root of 1250 in its simplest form. Number 2, number 3, number 4, and 2 more problems we have here. Okay, so let's do it one by one. Solution number 1. The question was express fourth root of 1250 in its simplest form. Okay, so how can we reduce it? That is equal to fourth root of, we can write it like 125 into 10. We can further reduce it like 125 into 5 into 2, and this one is actually 5 to the power 4. if you break it like this, 125, 5, 5, 5, then remaining 5 multiplied by 2. So 1 5 will come out, that is equal to 5, and the remaining fourth root of 2 will be inside. So this will be our answer. Now number 2 question was, divide 16 root 75 by 5 root 12. Okay, 16 root 75 by 5 root 12. 16 root 75 divided by 5 root 12. Okay, we need to simplify it. 16 and root 75 we can write 25 multiplied by 3, 75. Here we can write 4 multiplied by 3. So this way 5 will come out, 16 multiplied by 5 and root 3, and here 5 multiplied by 2 comes out, is 3. This one will cancel out, this one cancel out, this one becomes 8. So that is equal to 8. Our answer will be 8. Now number 3. What is question number 3? Okay, question number 3 was like this: 6 by 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 is equal to a root 2 plus b root 3, and we have to find out a and b. Okay, so let's rationalize this one. This is equal to 6 by 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 and 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 divided by 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. Okay, so in the numerator it will be like this: 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3, and in the denominator a square minus b square means 3 root 2 square minus 2 root 3 square. That will be equal to 18 root 2 plus 12 root 3. Okay, and here 3 is a 9, 2 18 minus 2 to the 4 3 12. That is equal to 18 root 2 plus 12 root 3 divided by 6. You can take out 6 from the numerator also. 6. If you take out 6, it will be 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 divided by 6. You cancel out this 6. So basically this is 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. And when we compare this with a root 2 plus b root 3, and we compare, so a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 2. That will be our answer. Okay, so let's move on to question number 4. Question number 4 was this: simplify 1 by 27 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 625 minus 1 by 4. Okay, simplify 1 by 27 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 625 minus 1 by 4. Okay, so we can just inverse this one. If it is minus, then we can just inverse the expression. 27 power 1 by 3 we can write it, plus 625 power 1 by 4 we can write it. This minus will become plus, and this expression will go in the numerator. So this will become cubic root of 27, cubic root of 27 plus fourth root of 625, that is equal to 3, plus this one will become 5. 5 5 is 25, again 5 is 125, again 5 is 625. This will become 5. So the simplification is like this. It will become 8. The answer is 8. Now 2 questions are pending. Okay, let's solve 2 more questions. 5th question was like this. Okay, so we have to find out the smallest of these 3 numbers. We cannot tell it directly because the surds is different. Here it is cubic root of 6, here it is 6th root of 24, here it is 4th root of 8. If you write this in the form of exponents, then it will become this: 24 power 1 by 6 and 8 to the power 1 by 4. So you cannot tell it directly that which number will be smaller. So first of all, this 3, 6, 4, you find out the LCM of this 3, 6 and 4. LCM of 3, 6 and 4. because you have to equalize the exponent. You have to equalize this exponent, and this is the only way. We have to find the LCM. Then we will do some more operations. So first of all, let us find the LCM. It will become 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4. That is equal to 2 3 3 2. That is equal to 2 3 is 6, 3 is 18, 2 is 36. So we will convert it in the form of exponents of 1 by 36. Okay, so how can we write this? This one we can write 1 by 36. Okay, so 1 by 3 multiplied by 12 and then also multiplied by 12 in the numerator. Okay, this one we can write 1 by 6 multiplied by 6 and multiplied by 6 in the numerator also, and here we can write 9 and here 9. Now we will apply the rules. Which rules? This one we can write 6 to the power 12 into 1 by 36. Okay, 1 by 36 and 12 into 1 by 36. This one we can write 6 into 1 by 36, and this one we can write 9 into 1 by 36. We have converted the exponents in the form of 1 by 36 so as to compare. Okay, now you will apply this formula also, this law also. 6 to the power 12 to the power 1 by 36, we can write it. Okay, a to the power pq is equal to a to the power p to the power q. Now this one 24 power 6 to the power 1 by 36. Okay, this one 8 to the power 9 to the power 1 by 36. Now this has become equal. Now if you compare these three numbers, then you will get the answer. So let's compare these three numbers: 6 to the power 12, 24 to the power 6 and 8 to the power 9. Which of these is smaller? So directly this also you cannot do, so let's factorize it. 2 into 3 to the power 12. So basically this is 2 to the power 12 into 3 to the power 12. Okay, this one is 2 to the 4 to the 8, 3 to the power 6. That is equal to 2 to the power 6, 2 to the power 6, 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 6. Okay, this one is 2 to power 9. So 2 to the power 9, 2 to the power 9, 2 to the power 9. Okay, so this one is the biggest number, largest number. There is no confusion. Okay, the confusion remains with these two numbers. No problem, we will clear the confusion. So here it is 2 to the power 6, 2 to the power 6 and 2 to the power 6, and here it is 2 to the power 9, 9, 9, and this one 3 to the power 6 also. Okay, when you break this one, 2 to the power 6 plus 3, okay, 9. So 2 to the power 6 into 8, 2 to the power, you can write this one 2 to the power 6 into 8. Okay, this one same 2 to the power 6. So 3 times 8 we have extra. 3 times 8 means 8 into 8 into 8, and then 2 to the power 6 into 2 to the power 6 into 2 to the power 6. Okay, here 2 to the power 6 into 2 to the power 6 into 2 to the power 6. So here this one and here this one, you have to compare 3 to the power 6 and 8 to the power 3. Okay, let's compare it. If you find this one, 8 8 is 64, 8 8 4 is 32, 8 6 is 48, 5 1 2, it will come out 5 1 2, and this one 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27, 3 is 81 and 9. So this one is bigger than this one. Okay, so this number is bigger than this one, so smallest number will be 8 to the power 9. It is the smallest number, and correspondingly this one and correspondingly this one. Okay, so fourth root of 8 is the smallest number. Answer. you can practice it without watching the solution, because this is a good question, I think. So one question is remaining. Okay, let us solve that one. This was our last question. We have been given x equal to this, and we have to find out x square plus 1 by x square. So let us first find out 1 by x. 1 by x equal to 1 by 7 plus 5 root 2. That will be equal to 1 by 7 plus 5 root 2, and we will rationalize it. 7 minus 5 root 2, and here also 7 minus 5 root 2. So this is 7 minus 5 root 2 and 7 square minus 5 root 2 square. So this will 7 minus 5 root 2 divided by 49 minus 5 5 are 25 and 2, so 50. So 7 minus 5 root 2 by minus 1. So you can write it 5 root 2 minus 7. This minus will go minus minus plus. This is minus. This is 1 by x. Now we have to find this one. We know that 1x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. Actually this is x into 1 by x, so it will cancel out, so it is 2. So from here x square plus 1 by x square is equal to x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2. Now we have to find out what is x plus 1 by x. So x plus 1 by x is equal to 7 plus 5 root 2 plus 1 by x is 5 root 2 minus 7. 5 root 2 minus 7. That is equal to, this 7 will cancel out, this will remain 10 root 2. Now its square, let us do its square. X plus 1 by x whole square is equal to 10 root 2 whole square, that is equal to 100 and 200. So to find out this one, you subtract from 200. Okay, this one is equal to x plus 1 by x whole square, that is 200, and minus 2, that is equal to 198 answer. Okay, simple one. Okay, so friends, we have seen that we have solved total 9 questions of different types. Some were subjective and some were like objective. So we have done it too many problems from the beginning of lecture 1 to lecture 10. We have done so many problems, and I think if you watch my lectures from 1 to 10, then this chapter will be crystal clear, no doubt. And I hope that you like all my videos. वीडियो अगर पसंद आता है आपको तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें. थैंक यू वेरी मच. एंड फ्रॉम द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर we will start chapter 2, that is polynomials. So please stay tuned with my videos. Thank you.